Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my experience with static nails. These are press-on nails, if you can believe it. So if you're interested to see how I put these on and my thoughts about them, please continue to watch. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Culture and this is my channel called Pretty Casual. I hope that you subscribe. I do tons of videos on beauty, fashion, lifestyle, mom life, house updates, fitness, and nutrition. Don't forget to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post my videos. I also wanted to mention that I will be doing my very first giveaway for the summer. This is my July giveaway for my Instagram. Yes, I'm announcing this on my YouTube, but you have to go over to my Instagram to enter the giveaway, and I'll be talking about that giveaway later on in this video, so make sure you stay tuned. And now on with this video. Okay, so this is actually my second time wearing these static nails. The box that I purchased mine from FabFitFun, and I've also seen them on Amazon. They have different styles, and honestly, this is the longest I've ever had my nails in 20 years, and so it takes a little bit getting used to, but to get this type of look with DIY press-on nails is pretty amazing. So they are just as easy as press-on nails that you would find at your drugstore. It comes with a set of nails, it comes with a nail file, and it comes with your glue. And all you have to do is pair each fake nail to your real nails and then glue them on. It's really, really easy. And on the box, it gives you instructions on how to do it. It's very clear. I did find that these are a little bit, I don't know if I should say better quality than what I found at the drugstore. And again, I don't wear the drugstore press-on nails all the time, so I don't know if those have gotten better over the years, but I was really surprised at how natural these look, how beautiful they look, how easy they were to put on, and how long they lasted as well. So now I'm going to show you how I applied these static nails to my left hand. I went ahead and did my right hand off camera just so I could have a shorter video for you guys, and then I'll talk about my thoughts, pros and cons about these nails if you are interested. Like I said in my intro, I applied the nails on my right hand. I did that off camera so I could make sure I did the application correctly. Sometimes with first impressions, if the whole process doesn't go right, it may not be a product issue, but a user issue. And so I wanted to make sure I got it down just right so I can show you how to do it correctly in this video. So here's the box. I'm sorry that it is a little beat up. I got it with a FabFitFun edit box. And so I tried to cut it open and salvage the information on the inside. So this side has some tips on wear time, and then also on the other side it shows you how to apply them and also how to remove them. So it's very self-explanatory. Inside you have some glue, you have your nails, and then you also have a little file at the top there. There should be enough nails for 2 sets plus some extras if you need them. When you open your glue, you will have to use scissors to cut it open, so make sure you have a pair on hand. The nail file that they provide has 2 sides to it. One is a little bit rougher than the other side. Not only did I use it for the static nails, but I used it to also file down my natural nails. And if you also want to push down your cuticles, if you don't have a cuticle pusher, you can use one of the fake nails to do this as well. Of course, you want to make sure that your nails are clean, no polish, no oils on them at all, and then make sure your cuticles are pushed all the way down so you can find the perfect shape of the fake nail to your natural nail. And once that's done, you want to start matching the fake nails to your natural nail. They come with a pretty good variety for the width of your nails. I was told by a few people on Instagram that these nails, the nail shape didn't work out for them. They were either too wide or too narrow for their natural nail. So just keep that in mind, and it may happen to you. Unfortunately, if they're too narrow and not wide enough for your fingernails, you won't be able to wear them. But if they are too wide, you can file them down with the nail file that they provide, and then also if the nail shape of the fake nail doesn't match the nail shape of your natural nail, you can file that down as well. According to the instructions, you can put a dot of glue on your natural nail and then also a dot of glue at the bottom part of the fake nail for the longest wear. So that is what I'm going to do. Make sure you only work with one nail at a time because this glue is like super glue and it dries really, really fast. So here I am starting with the pinky. Obviously you can start with whatever nail you are the most comfortable with, whether that is your pinky finger or your thumbnail. It says to let it wait to dry for about 5 seconds. I don't know if that makes a difference, but that's what the instructions say. And then you want to press it down so it matches your nail bed and also the sides of your nails, and then hold it down for about 25 to 30 seconds. Press right on top of the glue. If you need to move your nail, you need to move it really, really fast, but once you start pressing it down, it will be impossible to pull up. So let it be, or you can soak it in hot water to take it off and then re-glue it again. Make sure that every time you place down your glue after you use it, that you have it standing up, because that glue will run out of the bottle onto your surface. So you want to make sure that it's always standing up straight. then once you are done with the glue, you want to salvage the rest of the glue. So make sure you put the top back on and then stand it straight up wherever you're going to store it. And that way you can use it again anytime your nails come off or if you want to put on another set. So this whole process took me about 10 minutes. And again, this was the very first time I used them. So if you are reusing them or putting static nails on every so often, this process will go even quicker for you. And look at how beautiful they are. Now I'm going to use the file to kind of round out the corners of these nails. I do love the shape of these nails, kind of like a coffin nail, but I just don't trust myself around my kids. I have a 3-year-old and a 6-year-old. I'm constantly hugging them and like touching their little faces and tickling them, so I don't want to hurt them. All you have to do is just a little bit of filing. Don't press too hard because these nails are a little delicate. So if you start to file them down, it happens really, really quickly. So you don't want to do it too much. You can always do it a little bit more, but once you do a lot, you can't bring your nail back. I got so many compliments on my nails. My husband really loved them. He actually really loves when I have really feminine looking nails on. It's just, for me, it's just not practical with kids, but now that they're a little bit older, maybe I can start wearing these more often. Again, I got so many compliments and I just told people that they were static nails and they were super easy to use. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Do you like this look? Would you wear this look on your hands daily, like an everyday thing, or would you just do it for an event? What do you guys think about this color? I am absolutely in love with this color. They do have different designs which are beautiful as well, so who knows, I might just become a regular fan and start wearing these more often. Let me know what you guys think down below. Okay, so now that I have shown you how easy it is to apply these nails, I want to talk about some pros and cons, but I'll start off with the cons first. So if you are not used to having long nails like ever and you want to try it out and not have to go to a nail salon, sit there for, you know, almost 2 hours and get acrylics done, which also is very expensive and then also time consuming, which that is my issue. It just takes so long to get nails done that I would much rather be doing other things. But as far as getting long nails like these, if you are interested in trying them out, then this is a really great option. But if you've never had long nails ever, then you definitely have to get used to them because it feels so strange from the get-go. At first, it feels so beautiful, like you're looking at your nails and you're thinking, oh my gosh, how did I do this in 10 minutes? It looks like I spent 2 hours at the nail salon and it looks gorgeous. But if you type on a keyboard, it's gonna take you a really long time to try and get used to it. You can try and use the nails and do like a clicking sound, but if you work in an office, that's not going to work out. Everyone's going to be super annoyed with you. It's just not going to be good. So that is one thing to consider. They do have a style that's a lot shorter than this one. It's a little bit more rounded. Those are probably going to be better for you if you do a lot of typing or if you work in an office and no one wants to hear that clickety clack of a keyboard. That's probably going to be a better option for you. Another thing is for like your daily stuff. If you are a mom, you are definitely going to have to get used to opening up packages, opening up toothpaste, flossing your kids' teeth, peeling a freaking cutie, like a little tangerine for them with these nails on. It is not easy. At least it's not easy like the first week because everything is foreign. You have to be really careful how you grab stuff, how you handle your kids. Like you don't want to scratch them with your nails or anything like that. So I found it hard to do that. I found it hard to pull up my leggings. I didn't want to puncture a hole through them. So those were the things that I found to be the most challenging. And also like putting on my makeup was pretty easy. I always wondered how people with long nails, like how, you know how they dip their finger in, but they have to put it the other direction. So they pick up the product with their nail and then they put it on their face. That was me. I couldn't believe that I was doing that. It looks so cool when other people do it. It almost kind of looks also kind of gross. To be honest, but here I am doing it with my own like eye cream and like donning it on my eyes. It almost like, even though like I felt like it looked kind of gross, it also kind of felt like a little bougie as I was like doing it with my nail. Putting on my lashes was a little tricky because your nails are so long. And so now moving on to some pros. I absolutely love how they make your hands look beautiful. They really do. They make your hands look so much younger. That's what I feel like. They make my hands look so much younger. It just looks like I don't know, they're just really long and feminine and beautiful and young. I was not expecting that. I am used to having like super short nails, and so I never thought that my fingers didn't look pretty, but once I had these on, I couldn't even stop looking at my hands because I could not believe how pretty and young they looked better than usual, which kind of was a surprise to me. But I love that about these nails. And then my kids love it when I tickle their arms like this. I put my daughter to sleep, which is so easy. She absolutely loves it. And then my husband loves it when I massage his scalp with my nails. It's just like an instant massage. And I just love, I can't say it enough, I love the way these look. Although at first I wasn't used to wearing these and it was kind of annoying, I'm getting used to it now because I was typing on my keyboard, I was on my phone, I was changing my clothes, and just making lunch for my kids, and it was a lot easier to manage. I think if they were acrylics, I would be a little bit more rough because I wouldn't be afraid of them popping off, but I'm not about to go get acrylics this long. That's just a lot of work and a lot of time. With these, because they are press-on, I'm a little bit more gentle and I don't want them to pop off, so you have to be really careful about that. But if you are going to an event and you don't have time to go to the nail salon, or you just don't want to go to the nail salon, but you want to have really pretty nails, these will stay on. You don't have to worry about these popping off. I don't know what it is. I don't know if the glue is different. I don't know if anything is different from anything at the drugstore, but these nails, they last and they look beautiful. They look natural. You can get them. They're not expensive. To me, I don't think that they're expensive. I think they range anywhere from like $14 to $16, and you get enough nails for 2 sets. So you can have a whole set of 10 and then another set of 10, and then you have some extras just in case they pop off. I still use the same glue for the first set that I did for the second set, so it lasted a really long time. And it says that you can wear them up to 7 days. That is the recommended time, but you can also soak them off. You don't need to use any type of chemicals at all. You can just soak these in hot water and then pull them off gently. I wouldn't pull them off to the point where you would like pull off the glue and your nail, like the top of your nail. So you have to be really, really careful about that. Soak them in hot water, and then you can reuse these nails over and over again with nail glue. And so I think this is just a really great deal, a really fast fix if you are going on vacation, or you just have to like have your nails done for something really, really quick, for something important that you're going to and you can't spend time at the nail salon. So if you guys have any questions at all, let me know down below in the comment section. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think of these nails. So now I'm going to be announcing my July Instagram giveaway. I'm going to be giving one of you lucky winners a box of these toasted sugar static nails. You can choose between this length, which is the longer length, or the shorter length. So make sure that you are following me on Instagram. I'll leave it up here for you guys to see. Go there and then find this picture as well, then leave a comment in that photo and I will pick a winner from those comments. So good luck to you guys. I will be doing another Instagram giveaway next month for the month of August, so don't miss out on that, and I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye.